Okay guys, ready to learn another one? The same. It's the same nighttime and I'm gonna draw again. So, remember, make a curve. Some of you might forget it. Then another one. It's okay when it's not perfect. You know what else? Do this face. Then this is the hair. And then the shirt. And then you can make any legs or arms. Because it's time to move on. If you're left behind of the hair or blah blah blah. And we're starting with the eyes and me. It's okay because I will show you what else. What we're gonna do. You can make adorable eyes like this. And you could do the mouth. I'm just going like this. And if you want to add the ears or nose, that's fine. If you're gonna do a watermelon right knee or anything, that's fine, okay? You could do it. And if you are a boy, then I can make a boy one. Okay, so they'll make a circle, then make a straight, then do zigzags. Like again, close my marker. Okay, so you see this one. And then make a stick guy. And then make a square shirt and then make a line. And if you want to add different eyes, that's fine. Because I'm always okay with it. If you want to make them in love, that's okay. Okay, done, and then okay, so that's all for today. Everyone have a great